Back to our channel, everybody. Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, it's about eToro, and it's on how you guys can sign up for eToro, which means how you guys can create yourself an eToro account. Creating an eToro account, you guys need to know what eToro is, alright? So eToro is basically a platform where you guys can trade forex and crypto. So crypto means cryptocurrency and forex means currency trading, alright? So let me read this line over here and you guys will be clear what eToro is, alright? eToro is an Israel social trading and multi-asset brokerage company that focuses on providing financial and copy trading service such as Forex and crypto, which means if you create an account of eToro, you can trade Forex and crypto, alright? So that's the basic knowledge of it. So let me show you guys how you guys can create an account in it. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into eToro, you guys can use our link in the description to sign up into eToro. Let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to search for eToro sign up. After you search for eToro sign up, you just want to scroll a bit down over here and where it says eToro sign up, create your account. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of eToro. Now, once you're in the official website of eToro, you need to enter a username. You need to enter a username, which username you want to use on your eToro account. So let's say I want to give my account username Kevin. Now over here, I need to enter an email of my account. Now after entering the email for my account over here, like this, I can enter a password for my account like this. Now after I do that, I can click on I accept the terms and service of eToro. And I acknowledge this. You need to tick mark all this over here and click on create account, and if all the information entered here is in like the correct format, then basically you're good to create an eToro account. All right, so that's basically how you guys can create yourself an eToro account. But if you guys want to use your Google or your Facebook ID to create your eToro account, you can just scroll a bit down and click on this sign up with Facebook and sign up with Google over here, and after that it's going to ask you for your Facebook or your Google information. Like, depends on the one which you click. After that, you need to enter Facebook or Google information. After that, you don't need to fill up any form. Like, your account will be created under the information written on your Facebook or your Google account. All right, so that's basically how you guys can sign up for eToro. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And it's me, Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.